In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide name of other players in Valorant Updated 2026 Guide. Start by opening Valorant on your device. Wait for the game to fully load so you can access the main menu. Once you are on the home screen, look toward the top corner of the screen for the gear icon. This is the settings menu for Valorant. Click on the gear icon to open the options menu. From there, select settings to enter the full settings panel. This is where you can adjust different gameplay, audio, video, and account-related preferences inside the game. After the settings window opens, click on the General tab. The General section includes a variety of account and interface options, including the setting that controls how player names are displayed during matches. Now scroll through the General settings until you find the option called Use Generic Names for Players Outside My Party. This is the setting you need if you want to hide the names of other players who are not in your group. When this option is turned on, Valorant will replace the real names of players outside your party with generic names. This can help reduce distractions and make your matches feel a little cleaner and more private. Once you locate that option, click the toggle and set it to on. Make sure the setting stays enabled before leaving the menu. In most cases, Valorant saves this change automatically, so you do not need to press an extra save button. After that, you can close the settings and return to the main screen or start a match. From that point on, players outside your party should appear with generic names instead of their actual Riot IDs during gameplay.